A fight broke out at a meeting of the Congress party in Tamil Nadu's Shivaganga district, where party workers and leaders had gathered to discuss plans for a local body election. ANI reported that Congress MP Karti Chidambaram was present at the meeting. In visuals, two men are seen hurling plastic chairs at some people near the door of the hall and chasing them away. The fight happened between two factions of the local Congress unit, adding that the police has taken control of the situation and cleared the room. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a swipe at Pakistan over using terrorism as a political tool. At his address to the UN General Assembly, he said, "The danger of regressive thinking and extremism is rising in the world. Those who use terrorism as a political tool should know that terrorism is dangerous for them too." The statement came hours after India gave a strong response to Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan bringing up the Kashmir issue at the UNGA. PM Modi called for a broader global response against terrorism and also asked nations to work towards keeping the world's shipping lanes free from expansionism. Today, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma said that he has ordered a CBI inquiry into the firing incident that took place in the Dholpur area of Assam's Darang district, in which 2 civilians were killed and 9 policemen were injured during an anti-encroachment drive. Sharma said that the extremist Islamist group Popular Front of India was involved in last week's violence during an eviction drive in Assam's Darang district, visuals of which have sparked nationwide outrage. Denying that there was a communal angle to the incident, he claimed the images from the police firing that have been broadcast till now do not give out the full picture. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India has developed the world's first DNA vaccine that can be given to everyone above 12 years of age. The PM said this while addressing the United Nations as he gave an open invite to manufacturers across the world. He was quoted saying, "Come, make vaccine in India."
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.